Okay, today we're going to be looking at number 4 on page 79. So we're going to be talking about adding centimetres and millimetres. We're going to be adding metres and we're going to be adding kilometres and metres together. So just before we start, I want to bring your attention up here to this. 1 millimetre equals 0.1 centimetres. 10 millimetres equals 1 centimetre. I'll just show you on the ruler 10 millimetres. So here we have 1 centimetre, and in here are all the little millimetres. So 10 of them is the same as 1 centimetre. 5 millimetres is the same as 0.5 centimetres or a half a centimetre. 20 millimetres is the same as 2 centimetres. 15 millimetres is the same as 1.5 centimetres. This will be important down here. So we're going to do question 4a. We're going to add 2.6 centimetres, 6 millimetres and 15 millimetres. So here we go. 2.6 centimetres, 6 millimetres. I'm going to write it like this, 0.6. I'm going to bring your attention over to here. 5 millimetres is 0.5, so 6 millimetres is 0.6. And 15 millimetres, well, we've just done it up here. 15 millimetres is 1.5, so 15 millimetres is 1.5. Okay, here are the CMs and the MMs. Okay, 5 and 6 is 11 and 6 is 17. 7 carry the 1. 1 and 1 is 2 and 2 is 4. So the answer is 4 centimetres and 7.7 millimetres. 7 millimetres. Okay, we're going to do 4B. A half a centimetre plus 1.4. So we're going to do 4B. A half a centimetre. Look up here. A half a centimetre is 0.5. 0.5, 1.4 centimetres and 36 millimetres. 36 millimetres, well, we know 20 millimetres is 2.0, 30 millimetres would be 3.0, 36 would be 3.6. Going to add that. 6 and 4 is 10, is 5 is 15, your decimal point. 3 and 1 is 4 and 1 is 5. 5 centimetres, 0.5 millimetres. Okay, we're going to do one more of these. We're going to do D. This is D. 4 and 7 over 100 metres. Add 4.17 metres. Add 213 centimetres. So we're adding metres and centimetres. So we'll put metres here and centimetres here. Now we're going to add change them into decimal form. 4 and 7 over 100 metres. We'll have 4 metres and 7 over 100. We'll put our decimal point in. 7 over 100. Remember that 2 zeros mean 2 numbers after the decimal point. So we have 7 on top. 0, 7. 5.14 and 213 centimetres. 200 centimetres is 2 metres and 13. I'm not going to add that one. You can do that yourself. Okay, and then we're going to look at G. G. So we're adding this time kilometres, metres, kilometres. So we're heading as kilometres and metres. 4.076 4 kilometres and 0.076 metres. 2759, 2759. So we have 2000 kilometres. 2000 metres is 2 kilometres. And 759 metres. And this is a little bit tricky here. 3 and 7 over 100 kilometres. 3 and 7 over 100 kilometres. 7 over 100 kilometres. Let's just look at that for the moment over here. 7 over 100 km is 0.07. Two numbers. So it's 0.07 of a kilometre. So let's put that in here. 0.07 kilometre. So I'm going to just put a 0 there just to keep it even. This is the tricky bit, okay? And it comes from here. 7 over 100. Two numbers. So 9 and 6 is 15. 7 1 is 8 and 5 is 13 and 7 is 20. 2 and 7 is 9. 3 and 2 is 5 and 4 is 9. 9.905.